Pico, just him versus Spain. Wasn't that it? That's how we're framing it in Ireland this morning. There's no one else on the Cape Verde team.
The world.
I'm sorry now. This was incredible. Cape Verde holding Spain to a 0-0 draw.
A 0-0 thriller. It actually was a good match. I mean,
It
was a decent match. I did watch it. Yeah, I mean, Spain are kind of one of the favourites, and they just really couldn't seem to break through. I mean, they had one or two good shots. One hit the bar, but Cape Verde just complete defending. And the goalkeeper, I thought, was amazing. Anyway, Pico Lopez, the Rovers captain, who's able to play for them through his father Carlos, is kind of being hailed now as a bit of an Irish hero already. Although maybe if you're a Bose fan, maybe not.
Well, we were on this yesterday, and the Shamrock Rovers team all sent in a message of best of luck to Pico as well. But like, listen, if you think about it, I think the smallest country in the World Cup is Curacao with 150,000 people, and I mean that's just a bit above Limerick. Cape Verde, I think about 500,000 people. But to be competing at the world stage in a World Cup and to hold Spain the favourites to a draw, I mean that's phenomenal stuff. You know, something that you remember forever.
Brilliant about a World Cup, isn't it? You just
Especially
love
with
an
48
underdog.
teams.
Yeah, there's so many teams.
I know.
We still didn't qualify.
I think it's yesterday since 1958 was the first day in a World Cup that it was every game was a draw. By the way, the stats the Americans are lashing out with because they're discovering the game for the first time.